creating a beautiful garden doesn't always mean spending a fortune. In fact, some of the most impressive gardens are built using affordable plants that grow beautifully, fill out quickly, and create a rich, professionally designed look over time. The secret is choosing plants that offer long bloom seasons, attractive foliage, strong structure, and easy maintenance. In today's video, we're looking at 6 cheap plants that can make your garden look surprisingly expensive without draining your budget. Number 6. Yarrow Moonshine. Yarrow Moonshine is a classic perennial that combines affordability with strong structure and lasting beauty. Its flat golden flower clusters rise above soft silver-green foliage, creating a clean and balanced look that fits perfectly into both modern and cottage-style gardens. This plant thrives in hot, dry conditions and requires very little maintenance once established. Unlike many delicate flowers, Yarrow Moonshine stays upright and attractive even during summer heat. Its long bloom period ensures continuous color in the garden while its sturdy stems add structure and stability to planting designs. What makes Yarrow Moonshine look expensive is its architectural quality. The flat flower clusters create bold shapes that contrast beautifully with softer plants nearby. This combination of textures gives gardens more depth and sophistication. Yarrow is also excellent for repeating throughout planting beds to create consistency and rhythm. Professional garden designers often repeat certain plants across a landscape because it helps unify the design and create a polished appearance. Even though Yarrow Moonshine is inexpensive, it delivers exactly that effect. In the landscape, it works beautifully in sunny borders where its golden blooms can brighten surrounding plants. It also mixes well with ornamental grasses and purple flowering perennials, creating combinations that feel elegant and timeless. A beautiful garden doesn't have to come with a high price tag. By choosing affordable plants with long bloom seasons, attractive structure, and reliable performance, you can create a space that looks lush, elegant, and professionally designed without spending a fortune. Sometimes the smartest garden choices aren't the most expensive plants, but the ones that continue delivering beauty year after year. Number 5. Catmint Walker's Low. Catmint Walker's Low is one of the best low-cost plants for creating a relaxed yet elegant garden style. Its soft lavender blue flowers and silvery foliage create a flowing appearance that instantly adds charm and sophistication to outdoor spaces. This perennial is loved for its incredibly long blooming season. It produces waves of flowers from late spring through summer and often continues blooming after a quick trim. Because of its spreading habit, a few plants can quickly fill borders and pathways with color and texture, creating a lush high-end look without requiring many plants. Catmint Walker's Low is also extremely easy to care for. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought, and rarely suffers from pests or disease. Once established, it needs very little maintenance, making it ideal for gardeners who want beauty with minimal effort. One of the reasons this plant looks so luxurious is the way it softens hard edges in the landscape. Along pathways, garden borders, or stone features, its flowing form creates movement and gives the garden a natural, layered appearance. It pairs especially well with roses, salvias, and coneflowers, helping create beautiful combinations often seen in expensive garden designs. Number 4. Black-Eyed Susan Goldsturm. Black-Eyed Susan Goldsturm is one of the most reliable and affordable perennials for creating a bright, luxurious garden display. Its bold golden yellow flowers instantly bring warmth and energy into outdoor spaces, making gardens feel fuller, richer, and more vibrant. This perennial is extremely tough and adaptable. It thrives in full sun, tolerates heat and humidity, and continues blooming even during difficult weather conditions. Once established, it returns every year with very little care, making it one of the best long-term investments for budget gardeners. What makes Goldsturm look expensive is its ability to create large blocks of color. When planted in groups, the bright flowers form bold drifts that draw the eye across the garden. This technique is commonly used in professional landscape design because repeating strong colors creates unity and visual impact. Another advantage of Black-Eyed Susan Goldsturm is its dense growth habit. It fills empty spaces quickly and helps reduce weeds, making planting beds appear cleaner and more organized. It also pairs beautifully with ornamental grasses, salvias, and coneflowers, allowing gardeners to create layered combinations that look rich and carefully planned. In the landscape, goldsturm works best in the middle of borders where its bold flowers can anchor softer textures around it. Its long blooming season ensures the garden stays colorful and attractive for months. Number 3, Coreopsis moonbeam. Coreopsis moonbeam is one of the softest and most elegant budget-friendly plants you can add to your garden. Its delicate pale yellow flowers create a glowing effect that brightens planting beds and softens stronger colors around it. Even though this perennial is inexpensive, it adds a refined and airy quality that makes gardens feel calm and carefully designed. One of the best features of Coreopsis moonbeam is its incredibly long bloom season. It flowers continuously for months, often from early summer into fall, covering itself in hundreds of tiny blooms. This constant color helps gardens look full and lively for much longer without needing expensive seasonal replacements. This plant is also very low maintenance. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought, and forms a neat rounded mound as it matures. Once established, it rarely needs extra attention beyond occasional trimming. Its fine texture creates beautiful contrast with bolder plants, helping garden designs feel more balanced and natural. Coreopsis moonbeam works especially well near the front or middle of garden borders. It can soften pathways, edge flower beds, or act as a transition between larger plants. When planted in drifts, it creates a flowing effect that gives gardens a light, professional appearance often seen in high-end landscapes. Number 2, Salvia caradonna. Salvia caradonna is a stunning perennial that proves affordable plants can still create a high-end garden look. Its deep purple flower spikes and dark stems bring dramatic contrast and vertical interest to planting beds. Even a small group of these plants can completely transform the appearance of a garden, giving it a more structured and designer-inspired feel. This plant is especially popular because of its long blooming season. Salvia caradonna begins flowering in late spring and often continues well into summer. With a quick trim after the first flush of blooms, it can even rebloom and stay attractive for much longer. Its upright growth habit creates clean lines that help gardens look organized and professionally planned. Salvia caradonna also thrives in sunny locations and handles dry conditions extremely well. Once established, it requires very little care, making it perfect for gardeners who want beauty without constant maintenance. The deep purple flowers pair beautifully with lighter-colored plants and ornamental grasses, creating striking combinations that look far more expensive than they actually are. In the landscape, this salvia works best in the middle layer of borders where its vertical flower spikes can rise above lower-growing plants. Repeating it throughout a planting design helps create rhythm and balance, two important features often found in professionally designed gardens. Number 1, Coneflower Magnus. Coneflower Magnus is one of the best perennials for creating a bold and luxurious garden appearance on a budget. Even though this plant is very affordable, its large rosy pink blooms instantly grab attention and make planting beds feel full and professionally arranged. The flowers rise above sturdy upright stems, creating strong structure and adding height to borders. Its rich color also blends beautifully with both modern and cottage-style gardens. One of the biggest reasons gardeners love Coneflower Magnus is because it's extremely easy to grow. This plant thrives in full sun and handles drought conditions very well once established. Unlike delicate flowers that require constant watering and attention, Coneflower Magnus stays attractive with minimal maintenance. It also returns year after year, becoming larger and fuller over time, which means you get even more value from a single plant. Another reason this perennial looks expensive is the amount of life it brings into the garden. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators are constantly attracted to its blooms, creating movement and energy throughout the landscape. In garden design, Coneflower Magnus works beautifully in the middle or back of borders where its tall flowers can anchor softer plants around it. When planted in groups, it creates a natural layered effect that makes the entire garden feel more intentional and elegant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which of these budget-friendly plants you would add to your garden first.